Maybe ask the secretary, the clerk of court, the location of the witness. Where is the witness? Kindly situate the witness at the witness stand. Henceforth, the clerk of court is directed to kindly make sure that if a time is given by the presiding officer, that the witness will already be at the witness stand by that time.
Mga pupunta pa sa SM. Kaninong control? Sa amin. The sergeant at arms is directed to be more mindful insofar as the time of the court is concerned in bringing the witness back to the witness stand whenever we go on recess. Attorney Locke, you shall be under the same oath. You may sit down.